Hey friends, Serena B here, and today I want to introduce you to my newest summer collection. It is called Bright Summer, and I'm so proud of it. I'm really excited and I can't wait to share it with you. It launches today on my store, shop.serenab.com. I'll have the links down below and in the card here so you guys can check it out. So let's get into it. I really wanted to create a summery, fun, bright collection full of things like sunglasses and different types of florals like daisies and stuff like that. So it's more of a smaller scale collection compared to the other collections I've launched in the past, and it goes perfectly with my Summer Babe collection. It's just so gorgeous. Alright, so let's get started. The journaling cards come together in a cut apart sheet that looks something like this. So you get two 4x6s and two 3x4s, and then the rest of the space here I added some elements. Again, all the cards and the elements are in one listing. You can obviously purchase the bundle, the full collection together, or just the journaling cards and just a paper. So I'll get to the paper in just a second. Let's go through the journaling cards first. So let's start with the 3x4 cards first. I absolutely love this one, and it's actually the last one I designed, and it has this pattern that I created of how this looks, and I can't wait to start using it. The next card is Summer in the Air, and that is my writing, and I just love these sunglasses. They're so cool. I love them so much. These are the kind of sunglasses I love to wear. This is another one of those filler cards that you can journal about. You put the numbers on the side and then you can journal about each photo, or you can cut them apart and use them as labels. Summer top 4 would be perfect, or top 4 favorite memories of the summer, stuff like that. You can use this card in so many different ways. So I have a palm pattern on a soft yellow background. This is a soft pink background with two black daisies. I love my daisies so much. You'll see them again in the pattern paper, and it says, "Flowers in my hair, I belong by the sea." And this is a lyric from one of Marina's new songs that I absolutely love. And also Summer in the Air is from the song, and it's called Orange Trees, in case you guys are interested in listening to it. It's a very summery song and I love it so much. And this is the most purple I've used in this collection. Every single collection of mine incorporates purple one way or another, and I incorporated it in this flower. It's more of a pinkish purple, but it still counts. Very pretty filler card. You can decorate it, you can add journaling to it, whatever you'd like. And then the last one is this soft pink background again with some more sunglasses. So there's 8 3x4 cards. You also get 8 4x6 cards. So here are the sunglasses again. I absolutely love this pattern. It's so great for a beautiful filler card, or for Happy Mail. You can use this on a tag flip or something. So there's different ways you can use these cards, and I love this one as well. It reminds me of vintage 60s summers, like Pink Lady, Grease. I don't know, I just love it so much. And then this one is another one of my favorites. This is more of a focal journaling card, but you can obviously layer it on top of it. You can cut these apart. You can use them as word strips. There's different ways you can use this card. And then the sunglass pattern with a soft yellow background. My beautiful daisies. I love them so much. So pretty. And then here is that pattern I created with the little diamonds. And then sunglasses with polka dots in the background. I absolutely love this version as well. And then one of my favorite patterns in blue. This is my beautiful, fun little twist on a stripe, which I love so much. So you get all of that together, plus you get some bonus little elements. So you get some daisies. You can easily fussy cut these out, or you can use these as a little tag, you know, just punch a hole. You can do whatever you like with these. And this is actually my tattoo. I've incorporated it into my collection. I drew it out and I think it's so cute. So that's another way that I incorporate personal touches into my collections. And then here are the sunglasses. You can fussy cut them out and use them as die cuts or ephemera bits in your Happy Mail. And then you have the palms, or you can use them as leaves, and then some more flower daisies. So this all comes together in the journaling cards and elements set. So now let's get to the paper. Here is my favorite stripe at the moment. I absolutely love this so much, and I did it in a pink version. So all my papers are 8x10, and the beauty of having a digital collection is that you can print your favorites many times until you run out of ink. You know, you don't have to hoard, print and go as you work on projects, and it's just so convenient. I love creating digital printable collections. So here is that pattern I love so much. It's very fun and bright, but it's also very subtle enough for Easter, for springtime projects, for baby showers, for any type of baby thing as well too. So yeah, I really love it. And then here is my beautiful daisies again with a soft pink background. The centers are white, so it's a little bit different from the card. The card that I showed you has yellow centers, so I made sure to incorporate these different florals for you guys. Here are my palms on a pink background because this was voted on my Facebook group. So if you're part of my Crafty Rebels gang, my Patreon, make sure you sign up to the Facebook group and get involved in there, because I really do engage with my Crafty Rebels there all the time, and I ask for your input and your opinions and stuff like that. So this was the most voted pattern. Some behind the scenes info. I essentially show them this and they decided on number 1, which is the pink, so that is what made it into the collection. So if you guys want to say in what I create, make sure you join my Patreon and also the Facebook group. It's so much fun there. Alright, so the next pattern is this beautiful Sunnies. I love this one so much. I love the background with the polka dot. You also see it in a subtle way as well coming up. So here are my daisies. These are black on white with yellow centers. The color's a little faded because I printed it off on the wrong setting, so it's not gonna look like this. It's a true black. It's just I used the wrong setting, but nonetheless it is still a gorgeous pattern, and I can't wait to make Happy Meal with this. It's so freaking cute. It's one of my favorites. Here is the subtle sunglasses pattern I was telling you about. The background is a soft pink. Sunglasses are a little bit bigger in size. I loved both of them so much that I decided to include both of them into the collection, so you can pick and choose whichever you want to use the most. It's up to you. I love them both. This pattern was inspired by a French kids textbook that I found, so I was really inspired by it, and I had gone on my Facebook group again. I asked my rebels to give me different words that to them represent summer or reminds them of summer. A lot of them are suggested to me from my Crafty Rebels, but I also added a lot of my own as well. So the really fun thing about my Patreon is that if you join, you will always have a say in my future collections to come, and I think that is so fun because you are part of my collections, you are part of me, and your support means a lot to me. So yeah, and here is something really fun. This is my tattoo like I showed you before. I just really love the black on white, and I just really love this. So very summery, because for me, I love summer, I love birds, and I just thought it'd be fun to incorporate my love for birds and my personal tattoo into this collection. And then the last pattern is this beautiful floral. It kind of has a zigzag, if you can see. It's kind of like a chevron pattern with flowers, and I absolutely love that about it. So it's a very soft pink, again in the background, with fun florals. So here's my beautiful collection. It is called Bright Summer. I hope you guys can check it out. The link for my shop will be down below, and again in the card and at the end of this video as well. I can't wait to see what you guys create with it. And don't forget to use the hashtag #MadeWithPaperCakes so that I can follow along and see what you've made and share your projects on my PAPERCAKES Instagram. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I can't wait to see what you think. Alright, love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!